Welcome back to the channel. Bitcoin along with other cryptocurrency is skyrocketing, and you might be wondering what's happening out there? I have even better news for you. Bitcoin to hit $100,000, and indeed this is not a speculation. It is going to happen. Stay tuned. Watch the full video and find out more. Bitcoin hits over $81,000 for the first time as crypto traders bask in Trump election victory. Analysts are expecting Bitcoin to hit $100,000 in the near future. How exciting! Bitcoin itself has a total market cap of $1.6 trillion, and it is expected to cross $2 trillion very soon. Bitcoin hit $80,000 for the first time, as investors continued to digest the implications of a second term for President-elect Donald Trump. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like this video so you never miss out on our latest videos. Bitcoin has been deemed a safe asset, regardless of the outcome of the election. Ether and other coins, including payments coin XRP, have more to gain from a second Trump term. The crypto industry believes Trump's victory is a bullish sign for Bitcoin and other digital currencies. Although Trump was once a Bitcoin skeptic, once saying it was based on thin air, he has fully embraced crypto in recent months, unlike the Biden administration, which has sought to rein in crypto. A big reason Trump has changed his tune on crypto. He now has a financial stake in it. In September, Trump and his children started a new crypto business called World Liberty Financial. It's very young and very growing, Trump said of the cryptocurrency industry on September 16th while unveiling World Liberty Financial. I do believe in it. The Biden administration, by contrast, has been far more skeptical of crypto. Securities and Exchange Commission Chairman Gary Gensler said in June 2021, in one of his first speeches in his then-new job, that crypto was ripe with fraud, scams, and abuses. Cryptocurrencies extended their rally on Sunday, with Bitcoin touching $81,000 plus for the first time ever. The price of the flagship cryptocurrency was last higher by 4.5% at $79,800.19, according to Coinmetrics. Ethereum rose 3% after passing the $3,000 level on Saturday. It last changed hands at $3,203.10. Smaller coins saw bigger moves as investors continued to digest the implications of a second term for President-elect Donald Trump. The payments coin XRP surged 11%. The decentralized finance token tied to Cardano rocketed 40%. Memecoin's Dogecoin and Shiba Inu coin soared 17% and 31%, respectively. Crypto is poised to enter a golden era, head of research at Galaxy Digital said in a research note Friday. Trump has promised to make America the crypto capital of the world, and his high-level team is filled with strong crypto advocates. The pro-crypto nature of his team, family, and donors increases the likelihood that Trump follows through on his campaign promises to the industry. Bitcoin was deemed a safe asset regardless of the outcome of the election. It is not considered a security, even by the Securities and Exchange Commission, and Trump has made big overtures about Bitcoin like entertaining the idea of a strategic national Bitcoin reserve and speaking about the need to keep all Bitcoin mined in America. Ether and other cryptocurrencies, however, stand to gain much more from the crypto-friendly regulatory environment that Trump has promised and appears to be a priority for many in his inner circle. For example, one reason the spot Bitcoin ETFs didn't see as much success as Bitcoin ETFs is because they don't distribute staking rewards. Many in the industry are hopeful that will change next year. In this environment, over the next 2 years we expect that Bitcoin and other digital assets will trade significantly higher than the current all-time high, Thorne said. What was once an oppressive headwind in the world's largest capital market will now shift to a tailwind, and no one is bullish enough. Bitcoin and Ether have gained 18% and 32%, respectively, since Election Day. Rose 48% last week, its best week since January 2023. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss any future updates on financial topics that might be useful for you. And, as always, if you have questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. I love hearing from you all, and I'll do my best to answer any questions you have. Thanks so much for watching. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.